This is Buddy, my husband's best friend. He arrived at our house on the 20th of September at 8 weeks old. He's been a wonderful companion to my husband who has Parkinson's. They are always together, and as you can see by the photos, he shares everything. Loves his baths each day, can already do a few tricks and can talk. Already says step up, hello, and what sounds like what are you doing. A big thank you to Anne and Mick.
Hello everyone, my name is Veronica Pang. Project name is The Voice of Birds. Project is an interactive documentary which made a film in Anne and Mick's place about the breed birds. Then the official website will build for audience when they watch the video, and they can click the mouse to choose which kind of bird's voice they would like to listen and guess their name by voice. Choose interactive documentary as the final form because I can finish all the video by Premiere Pro and Cleanet software. Then project official website will be built and combine all social media such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on to draw the target audience interesting to interact and participate. During research of the pet bird, I found there are more than 7,000 followers in my interviewees' Facebook, and there also have 849,369 Facebook users follow Birds and Blues magazine, 4,674 members in Backyard Birds and Wildlife Love Group. I think they are the very specified and target audience who will keen on this interactive documentary. Anne and Mick is a couple who I know them in community club in Altona, and they share their hobby about hand-raised birds in the past 20 years.
Pellets. We then handle them all over, which we do when they're little babies as well, but not a lot because all they tend to do is eat and sleep. We then introduce them to noises, so we'll allow a door to make a noise by a small bang. We introduce them to the hairdryer, to the vacuum cleaner, to the television, and then we'll bring them out when they're old enough to start walking, and they'll walk around the floor, and we'll introduce little toys to them that they can pick up in their mouths and chew and play with. At around 10 weeks of age, 10 to 12 weeks, they'll start to fly. Now, some people would tape their wings. We don't ever tape the wings of our babies.
Birds are one of the best company friends of human beings. People always treat them as pets, celebrate in wedding, feed them, hand-breed them. Each bird also has its own personality, and I think they really want to hang out with human beings as much as possible. They talking like human being, say hello, they eating fresh fruits, nuts like human being. Their song is so beautiful and touched. It means free and love in the spring. So I interview Anne and Mick as major participators to share their passionate and experience of hand-breeds birds in Melbourne and make the documentary for the huge fans of birds in Australia.